Hey, it's Rick here, and there's been some question about the iPad Smart Folio in Mallard Green and what it really looks like. So that's what I intend to do today in this video, is to show you the true color of the Mallard Green Smart Folio. And that's the first thing I want to point out. I think Apple has done a disservice to themselves by calling it Mallard Green, because it's really more of a peacock color. And what I mean by that is it's got blue hues to them, almost like a teal in a way, or an aquamarine. And personally, I like it. And I think it looks really, really good, especially when you pair it up with the iPad that comes in space gray. I'm sure it would look great in silver too. There's the inside of the folio, of course, plush as always, and you've got your Apple embossment. So what do you guys think? Is Mallard Green truly representative of this, or should it have been called Peacock or something else? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content. And if you want to be notified when things go live, hit that bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.